What are you making today, babe?
We are making one of our cheap, we have no meat meals, because that's happening these days. And it's, if you don't know how to use kale, it's a great way to use your kale. It's with spaghetti and it's got cumin and all kinds of yummy Tex Mex seasonings. And you just mix it all up. You roast them first and then yeah. So we're making kale spaghetti. Actually, Tex Mex Kale spaghetti. I think that's what I'm going to call it. Yeah.
Sounds awesome.
Okay. We're going to get started. I don't like cabbage.
It's a 16-inch fan. You don't mount it up.
We're in a temperature switch.
You keep wiping the Jeep.
Yeah, you're just sweating on everything. The whole floor over here. I can't step back in.
Hey, we didn't have to move the exhaust. We didn't have to jack up. We didn't have to do anything. Look at that.
That's a lot.
How much kale was that?
8 cups. But it's really fluffy, so it's not like it's 8 cups of packed or anything like that. It's really, this is going to roast down to pretty much nothing, so don't worry. Now we're going to put ingredients on it. Hopefully we can mix it. We'll be fine. I know it seems like a lot of olive oil, but this is kale and it just literally soaks it up. You need that much. Nope, not yet. They haven't changed it. It's 4 teaspoons. I know it seems like a lot, but what we're trying to do is get these really seasoned, because when you put in the pasta, it's just going to soak up all the ingredients. And so If I was just doing roasted kale, I would not put this much cumin or salt on it. It's for the noodles. Just in case you guys are wondering. Okay, now we're gonna mix it. It's gonna be a little difficult. If you have a little bit of bigger bowl or something, I'd probably do it in that, but I don't. So, I'm doing it this way. I'm doing it the hard way. I think it's pretty good. So, these are nice and remember, I know it looks tall, but it's gonna go way down. Kale is like lettuce, has water in it. But these have to marinate. You gotta get the marination, the flavors inside. So when it gets to the noodles, oh, it's just so good. I gotta taste it. Yeah. Now we're gonna put noodles in.
Okay, so usually always do the noodles, and my wife used to place them around here one by one, and it takes too long. So I do it like this. I get them out like that. Last box is half empty. This one's good. And then I just kind of make a hairy mess.
All over the...
Yes. Well, I maybe drop a cut of one. I dropped one. But I make a hairy mess, and then I take it so they don't stick together.
It looks like Bart Simpson's hair.
And yeah, but this keeps them from sticking together, so you don't have to constantly stir. Because my wife, that's the reason she did that, because she doesn't like to stir, but I don't like to put them in one by one. She took over my noodles, guys.
Damn, I'm not on my thing. I did not take over your noodles. Look at that. Worked.
She goes taking over my noodles again.
I'm stirring them. Now I want these to set. I'm gonna let them set for a minute. Because we're gonna put them in noodles. I know you guys don't see it yet, but watch. It's gonna be really yummy. I don't want too much of it hard. That smells good.
Mm-hmm.
They're like little chips right now. Kale chips. I put oil in it on the noodles, and then I get all the roasties out here. Try not to get any of the burnt stuff, but you're looking for roasting. That's where the flavor is. There you go. Okay. When you mix it with the pasta and all that steam, it actually softens all the crispiness of the kale. So now it's just really yummy roasted kale. Yeah, see, it's not crunchy anymore. It's like this now. And that's from the noodles. Okay. I think we got them mixed. Okay. That smells so good. Gotta have those heaping. All right. Nice bowl of pasta.
Y'all stay tuned.
Then I have to marinate. Okay. I know what I'm doing.
Are you sure?
I think so.
Just getting all ready for video.
Well, I'm trying to camouflage my shirt a little bit. It's kind of addy, I guess.
Yeah, it's got a big ad on it.
But I like the shirt. That's the reason why I like to wear it. Sorry.
Check out my wife's safety shoes there.
What, my feet? No socks. This is Florida. It's warm right now. We do occasionally get the cold, and we don't like it. Nope. We are not cold people.